Watermelon cane. Add a small amount of white to cadmium red hue and add 50-50 translucent clay. Add 1/3 white to translucent clay and wrap around the red. Add a very small amount of green to white, then add about 1/3 to 50-50 translucent clay. This layer is much thinner than the white part of the rind. Add a small amount of black to forest green and wrap. This layer is thinner than the light green. Reduce by pressing on the sides first with palms, then with fingers. Then pull. Add a very small amount of green to yellow acrylic paint for your rind lines. Pinch ends to create whole watermelons. Add your rind lines, then cut as desired. I'm using black acrylic paint for the seeds. Thank you for watching.